So the way you get test bank questions in is you click Edit Course, you go to Import, Export, Copy Components. You check box Import Components, you click Choose File. And I think I have it in my downloads. And let me pause. So it's on my desktop. It's a zip file. You click Start. It's going to go ahead and download and read the package. You click Continue. And you'll notice that it will say this, select all items, and it's going to put it into the question library. Go ahead and click Continue. And then continue again. And it's going to go through and import the files. So I don't believe it's going to be creating the quizzes. What it's doing is it's putting the questions into the question library, hopefully in a halfway decent order. So when it's done cleaning up the import files and get the 3 checks, you just click Continue, and then the import was successful. I go to Content and Quizzes now. Let's see. So as you'll see, it didn't create any quizzes. But what it did do is I go to the question library. It now added all the questions to the question library, as you can see right here. So this is my questions on Chapter 1. This is my office questions. And these will be short answer and all kinds of questions. So now the next step for you is you create a quiz. Let me go done editing questions. So I go to the quiz, I go to New Quiz, and let's say Chapter 1 Quiz, add and edit questions. What I then do is click Import. In the Select a Source, I choose Question Library, and it'll ask me for which section. I'm going to do Chapter 1. And here's all of my questions for Chapter 1. I can get a preview of it. I can see that these are all multiple choice. So if I check the top checkbox, maybe I don't want all of this short answer questions, so I have to uncheck the short answer questions. You get the idea. You choose what you want. Let me uncheck that. Choose what you want, and then go ahead and click Save. That's going to put the questions into the quiz itself. Okay? Now that's just general questions. Now if you wanted to do a random set, for example, I'm going to go to Add and Edit Questions. And now in this case, I'm going to go New, and then Random Section. Give the section a name, call it, because if I want to add more, Chapter 1. Click Save. Now I go into that random set. I go to Import. Again, questions are in the library. You choose all of those. Click Save. Click Done. And now you'll see where it then gives you this choice of how many questions I want. So maybe I'll pick 10. And then I say Done. Oh, and the thing I forgot to do, you see how it says 0? So now if I want to go to Add and Edit Questions again, need to add here. See? People, I do things wrong too. 10. Oops. Save. There we go. Done editing. And there's a random set. It'll pick 10 of those 97 questions. And you'll see that it'll be random question, random question, random question. If I want to go and add another one, I don't have to keep done editing questions. I can go here. I can go add a new question, new random set, and go through the same process. I hope that helps. Sorry, this is about 4 or 5 minutes.